First of all, let me just see this. I'm turn on my music. First of all, let me just say this. A talking time now. Hold on there. First of all, for the little idiot was say, if I this man come live for, but man and them somebody obviously I just a jam live. Somebody just maybe share the live and you get the memo and you come over here and I chat fuckery. Everybody will join my live at night time. Know say when me come live at night time, we all have vibes and talk about positive things. Them question about business and I just all of vibes. I'ma tell them story about my past and about other things and whatever. I will laugh, I will go on and yeah. So here one, I get it twisted, little bitch, and talk about my come live, about man and them something. They not do it. You understand? They not do it. Secondly now, why you wanna dep on my live I talk about Anika? Mama not well slick. You know her as slick. Oh that reach. Because of the little dirty fake page, you know. Honestly, you know, because of the little dirty fake page when the blood clot comment and I talk about oh man I fuck my friend and man I fuck this right away you wanna stay as slick. Oh, no do that. Listen, I'm not gonna lie, not put me up against nobody and the truth. You see, uno mix up and uno same one will say yes and no all the fucking time. But just read the comments, and man, I open my eye them wide and wide and me I feel say bumba clot. Oh, no do that. Like, oh, no do that for real. I don't even know the half. Mama Clean Anika, I just remember something. Come join my life. What make you join my life? I just remember why your name could call for true. Mama Clean, I know it's a girl. Sometimes I remember them something there. She did for my life same way. Sometimes I remember certain things. That's why it just remember me I did laugh now in my head. We know, Anika. You know how it come down. You understand? So them can't put we up against each other. We know what we know. And alright, that's how we stop talk. We're not for the kill up myself. Because you see the moment I kill up myself and I talk about things, them are gonna take me and put me over this and put me over here. So we don't really want the dragons. You know how it go, Anika. You know how it come down. And you know why certain things can't go happen. Remember we know and we not have to chat it. Right this so. Alright. But we're glad. We know what we know. If we don't want a whole secret for each other, make it go so. A whole secret for each other. We're not business. We know how it goes. But even this sister Anika they on my live. You know, so I come on from my blood clot live a while ago. My WhatsApp, I go pan, I see she blow up my WhatsApp, and I just come on from my live and go see what she say. What the fuck you mean? I dey way up in my blood clot live and read the comments, them bitch, sad old girl, no come blood clot for me. I never see she dey on my live, and I read the whole of the comments, them a come down. What the fuck you mean, but when she come on my live, my blood clot start at different? What the blood clot you mean? What you mean, I start at different? What the fuck you say? Look how long I'm quiet. No must read me and read. You idiot? Yeah, just come suck me. Come suck me. I tell Anika said don't make my address. We will not talk about this none at all. Because we know how it's going to end up. Come suck me. Fuck your chat. I did a read. I don't know whatever come from my fabo. I see the girl reach from the live now. Come suck me. The blood clot. Like nobody can come bully me. Jay, where you come for? Jay, I don't want you to call me. I don't want nobody call me. Because you know I try to end my life. And I know what that to not do. Everybody know I have my personal number. I try to call me. I don't want to call me. I don't want to call me. Hold on. The next person who asks me about this boat writing, I go black you know. We not talk about. You remember some go yacht last year? We not talk about. Oh not come go on like girl not used to things and do things way before people. We not talk about in a real life. You know just a follow my arwa. You remember there's a whole yacht me get rent for myself for my birthday last year? By whosoever you know I talk about for myself and pick and choose whom I did want for company it. What not talk about? We could even full it up, it bigger than we. So we not gonna come for girl. Yeah, girl a true yata. That the boy they fuck anything pan 2 foot from it up pussy. I rest my case. The next person who asks me about this boat writing, I go black you know. We not talk about. You remember some go yacht last year? We not talk about. Oh not come go on like girl not used to things and do things way before people. We not talk about in a real life. You know just a follow my arwa. You remember there's a whole yacht me get rent for myself for my birthday last year? By whosoever you know I talk about for myself and pick and choose whom I did want for company it. We not talk about. We could even pull it up, it bigger than we. So we not gonna come for girl. Honestly, don't know what you're talking about. I swear. I can't keep up. You know, so all what I go and I try to read for reach the bottom, for reach the newest comment. Because I want to finish read so I can talk. I need for talk, but I don't know fucking stop comments. At the whole night, I got there to read until me end my life. Me not give a fuck. I have to read first. Because at the end of the day, I'm not there for my life to argue. I'm not argue about nothing. We're not over here in an argument. I said to all the comments, them loud. I have to lock off the music. Well, I know. When you can't stop commenting now. Of course, most of the comment them laid.